Hey folks, Bobby here today along with my son,
Nathaniel.
Hey guys, today we're going to real quickly show you how to use a tap to tap out a cylinder block in the place where the head will be installed later. So stay tuned, we'll show you how to do it. Okay, guys, what we have here is our little 2.5 liter Ford engine, and we're going to tap out all of the holes in the block where the cylinder head goes down, okay? So we're using a 12 millimeter by 1.75 tap here. Daniel's already done 3 of them here, and we're going to real quickly show you how to do one. Now, I recommend a little bit of lubricant on your tap before you shoot it in. We just got a little bit of this Enforce penetrating lube here, and we're going to go ahead and start it by hand. Now notice that we have our tap attached into a fixture, okay? This typically comes in any type of tap and die set, and you'll need something that hold the tap to where you can actually install some sort of ratchet, okay? Now I recommend a short ratchet because when you're using a tap, guys, you don't want to like be cranking on something with a real long ratchet and all of a sudden you hear it go tink. That means the tap snapped off inside your block. That is not a fun day, okay? So bring the camera back down here. So what we want to show you here is just use a reasonably short ratchet. You don't want to use any type of air tools or cordless tools. You want to do all this work here by hand, okay? And I'm turning this in. I do know that all these holes in this particular block bottom out, okay? But if you're talking like a small block Chevrolet or something, they all go to water inside the water jacket, so there is no bottom. But these we have to be careful. I'm going to go and take it to the bottom. And as I'm pulling on this, okay, all of a sudden I feel it get really tough really fast, okay? And when that happens, you stop or you'll end up breaking that tap off inside that block. That's why you don't use any kind of air tool, any type of cordless tool, okay? So we're going to go ahead and just back this on out real fast here. And we'll show you what this looks like here right quick. And then maybe we'll watch Nathaniel do one as well. Notice that there's some crud and stuff, on, not too bad, on our tap here. And if we take our flashlight and we shine it in here, I don't know if Nathaniel can catch that, but you'll see that the threads inside here look very nice now, okay? There's nothing on the threads that's going to impair the torque on the new head bolts that are installed, okay? So let's watch Nathaniel do this one time, and then we'll just wrap this video up. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to go and spray a little bit of this lube on the tool here for Nathaniel. There we go. That'll all be enough right there. And remember, go ahead and start that by hand.
Right here?
Yeah, go and pull your ratchet off for just a moment. There you go. Now start that by hand. Guys, I recommend that just so you don't get it cross-threaded and then you start messing up the threads in it, okay? So always start any tap by hand is always just a good rule of thumb. Let's see what it feels like there. Daniel's new to this, guys. He hasn't been a mechanic as long as I have, by golly. Okay. Now that feels pretty good. So now we're started by hand. Go and put your ratchet on there and go ahead and take her on down. Okay, guys, so while we're talking about this, while Nathaniel's doing this, we're just going to talk for a minute. This is very important to do when doing any type of engine rebuilding. This is one of the things you definitely want to always tap the block where the cylinder head goes so you get the even and proper torque, if you will, when reinstalling the head back on the engine, okay? There's some other critical bolts that I recommend cleaning threads on as well, but this one here is the most important, okay? Especially on some of the engines that have the bolt holes that go to water, because typically they have to have silicone on them, and they get a lot of crud built up inside the threads of those engines, okay? So definitely something that you want to keep in mind when doing that. So did you bottom out?
Yeah.
Does it feel like it bottomed out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like all
right, let me check it one time. Okay, you're not quite there. I'll go ahead and take it there. Daniel's a little gun shy here because he's heard me talk about how it could snap off if you're not careful. So I'll go ahead and take it to the through the end. Now it's there. Now feel that little bit of tightness. You feel how tight that is?
Yeah.
Okay, you're there. All right, go ahead and reverse it and start backing it out. Okay, guys, this is going to pretty much wrap up our little video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you found this video helpful. We'll see you next time. Take care.